In this video, I'll be showing top 10 holdings of Seth Klarman portfolio. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Seth Klarman is a value investor and portfolio manager at the Baupost Group. The Baupost Group manages almost $8 billion and has average returns of nearly 20% annually since their inception. Seth Klarman invests in a wide array of investments ranging from fairly traditional value stocks to more esoteric investments like distressed debt, liquidations, and foreign equities or bonds. He is completely unperturbed by the idea of sitting on the sidelines, holding cash whenever investment opportunities are scarce. In fact, in 2005 and 2006, nearly half of his portfolio was held in cash. There are currently 30 stocks in the Baupost Group portfolio, and 4 of those are new holdings. The major sector is communication services, weighting 41.85%, followed by consumer cyclical around 21%, and the third is healthcare weighting 15.83%. In regards to the top 10 holdings of the portfolio, 5 are dividend-paying companies and the other 5 don't pay dividends. So now let's see the top 10 holdings of Seth Klarman portfolio. And the largest position is eBay Inc., ticker eBay, weighting 21.08%. And eBay is a dividend-paying stock. eBay has a dividend yield of 1.32% and a market cap of $34 billion. And the forward P ratio is 13.56. Year to date, the stock is up more than 34%. Over the last 5 years, is up around 86%, and in the last 10 years, is up more than 100%. As I said, the dividend yield is 1.32%. The annual payout is 64 cents per share, and the payout ratio is very low, only 17.86%. The second largest holding is Liberty Global PLC, ticker LBTYQ, weighting 14.70%, and this company does not pay dividends. Next we have Fox Corp, ticker FOXA, weighting 9.18%, and Fox is a dividend-paying company with a dividend yield of 1.65%. The market cap is almost $17 billion, and the forward PE is 14.58. Year to date, Fox is down around 24%. Now let's take a look at the dividend chart. As I said, the dividend yield is 1.65%. The annual payout is 46 cents. The payout ratio is almost 24%. And the dividend frequency is semi-annual, when the majority of the companies pay dividends on a quarterly basis. Number 4, we have Viasat Inc., ticker VSAT, weighting 6.60%, and this company doesn't pay dividends. Next we have Viacom CBS Inc., ticker VIAC, weighting 5.50%, and Seth Klarman has sold around 16% of its CBS shares. Viacom CBS pays dividends. It has a dividend yield of 3.18%. a market cap of $18.73 billion and a forward PE of 7.41. Year to date, the stock is down around 28%. In the last 5 years, is down around 29%, and in the last 10 years, is up more than 99%. Let's also take a look at the dividend chart. As you can see here, the dividend yield is 3.18%. The annual payout is 96 cents per share. The payout ratio is around 23%, and its 5-year growth rate is 7.63%. Number 6, we have Corvo Inc., ticker QRVO, weighting 4.24%. And this company doesn't pay dividends. Next, we have Translate Bio Inc., ticker TBIO, weighting 4%, and Seth Klarman has increased its position in this company by 2.85%. Number 8, we have HP Inc., ticker HPQ, weighting 3.93%, and the group has recently reduced its position by 10%. HP is a dividend paying company with a yield of 3.72%. The market cap of the company is around $26 billion and the forward PE is 8.66. Year to date, the stock is down more than 7%. In the last 5 years is down more than 28%, and in the last 10 years is down more than 51%. Let's take a look at the dividend chart. Dividend yield, as I said, is 3.72%. Annual payout is 70 cents per share. Payout ratio almost 32%. And it has a fantastic 5-year growth rate of more than 18%. Next, we have Alphabet Inc., ticker GOOG, weighting 3.80%, and Seth Klarman has reduced its position, its number of shares, by 28.56%. And as you might know, Google is not a dividend-paying company. And closing this top 10, we have McKesson Corp., ticker MCK, weighting 3.21%. McKesson has a dividend yield of 1.10%, and its market cap is around $24 billion. Its forward PE is 10.01. Year to date, the stock is up almost 10%. In the last 5 years is down around 25%, and in the last 10 years is up more than 143%. Dividend yield, as I said, 1.10%, annual payout $1.68 per share, payout ratio very low, around 11%, and a good 5-year growth rate of 10.76%, and accounting for 13 years of dividend growth. And I said before in this video, there are 4 new holdings in Seth Klarman portfolio, and the biggest new holding is HCA Healthcare Inc., ticker HCA, which is now weighting in the portfolio 1.22%. He also bought the Variant Systems Inc., ticker VRNT, weighting now 0.35%. He also had Ventas Inc., which is a REIT in the healthcare sector, ticker VTR, weighting now 0.25%. And last we have SS&C Technologies Holdings Inc., ticker SSNC, weighting 0.10%. If you want to check the complete portfolio of Seth Klarman and all the details, feel free to follow the link in description. I hope you enjoyed this video and I really appreciate your thumbs up, so go there and smash that like button. And thanks for watching.